It's more fun when we share the dreams we have inside. There's just so much to do. Let adventure be your guide.
Wow! Let's go on an adventure. Just pretend and you will see.
Yes.
Let's go on an adventure. One just for you and me.
Oh, yeah. This little cub and his family are African lions. Lions belong to the cat family. Most African lions live in sunny, grassy areas like this, called savannas. Looks like the family's out for a walk.
Look at the little cubs.
Mom and cubs. Oh, she's lying down for a rest. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, here comes the daddy lion. Look how big he is.
Yeah, lots of hair.
That's his mane. Oh, does anyone know what kind of cat this is?
I know, Barney, that's a tiger.
That's right, Baby Bop. I think you already know about the tiger's pretty stripes. Orange and black and white. The way he walks. Oh, the teeth. His whiskers too. And this is a leopard. Leopards are part of the cat family too. Leopards have those spots to help them hide. Pretty eyes.
Oh, are those leopards too?
Oh, well, not exactly, but they are part of the leopard family.
Oh,
They're called cheetahs.
cheetahs.
Cheetahs are the fastest animal in the world.
I wouldn't want to have one of those chasing me.
Me neither. You see, cats can come in all different kinds of shapes, sizes, colors, and even spots.
Yes.